Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're gonna get back to some kitchen basics. We're gonna talk about some of the stuff they should have taught us in school, okay? We need to start learning about how to save some money, how to break down our own meat, and we're gonna start here. I bought a whole chicken here, okay? It's a little bit less expensive if you buy a whole chicken and break it down yourself. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna skin the whole entire thing. And watch how I do it. I'm gonna start from the back, I'm gonna slide the knife down, and I'm gonna start putting my fingers underneath the skin. You don't really need your knife at this point. You're just gonna be using your fingers, you're gonna tug, and you're gonna pull. Now, we wanna grab our knife for this little bit of extra skin, okay? You can save all this stuff, you can render it down, or you could use it for whatever you like to use it for. All right, I'm pulling off a little of this extra skin here on the wing, making sure we got it all. Why am I pulling off the skin? Well, when I'm making soup, oh, sorry, we got distracted here. When I'm making soup, I don't have to keep sifting the fat out, okay? So if you take the skin off, it's just gonna help that, and the skin's really not gonna help with too much flavor in your soup. Next, we start with the wings, okay? Pull those babies off first. Easy money. Now, it really doesn't matter here because we're making soup how you break this down, but right here, normally you try to get the oyster out. That's the prime part of the thigh. Okay, next we're gonna take the back out of there. And what we're doing here is we're gonna take the breastbone out. Why are we taking the breastbone out? Because we're gonna use the breast for something else. We're not gonna need that in our soup. There's so much good meat on that breast, and we have so much other meat on the thighs and the drums and the wings that we don't need to take that. Let's save this precious, expensive breast meat and use it for something else. All right, make sure you get all the bone out of there, especially this little piece of wishbone. Yeah, right here. You don't want somebody to choke on that fucking thing. That will not be fun. Yes, now we're gonna pull these tenderloins apart. We're good to go. And if you really want to, take some of that extra skin. Yeah, all that skin you took off the whole chicken and wrap it around your breast. You can season it under there first and then wrap the whole thing around. Similar to Hannibal Lecter, okay? You're gonna get a nice juicy breast when you do it that way. Next, fill your pot up with all your chicken water. You see, put your veggies in and now make your soup. Easy way to save some money.